Hi guys, if your iPad screen is not rotating, don't worry. This usually happens because of a small setting or a simple issue, and you can fix it in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPad screen that is not rotating step by step. First, let's understand the problem. Your iPad uses sensors like accelerometer and gyroscope to detect movement and rotate the screen. If something blocks this, your screen will stay stuck in one position. Now let's fix it. The first fix is checking the rotation lock. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Look for the rotation lock icon. If it is turned on, your screen will not rotate. Tap it once to turn it off. Now try rotating your iPad again. The second fix is checking the app. Some apps only work in one orientation. For example, some apps may only support portrait mode. So open another app like Safari or YouTube and check if the screen rotates there. If it works in other apps, then the problem is with that specific app. The third fix is removing external attachments. If you are using a keyboard or cover, it can block rotation. Remove the keyboard or case and try again. Sometimes accessories prevent the screen from rotating properly. The fourth fix is force restarting your iPad. This helps fix temporary glitches. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold the home button and power button together until the Apple logo appears. If your iPad does not have a home button, press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After restart, check if rotation is working. The fifth fix is updating your iPad. Sometimes bugs in iPadOS can cause rotation issues. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. Install any available update. This can fix software related problems. If none of these fixes work, there might be a hardware issue. Your iPad sensors may not be working properly. In that case, it's best to visit an Apple Service Center. Quick recap. To fix iPad screen not rotating, turn off rotation lock, check if the app supports rotation, remove keyboard or case, restart your iPad, update iPadOS. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what exactly is happening with your iPad. I'll help you fix it.